To get our camera to zoom out so we can see the whole star, we need to set the camera's viewport size. So here we've set both the width and height of the viewport to be double the radius, so the star should fit comfortably within our camera. Note the distinction between these two lines. The set to ortho call tells the camera how big a window we're using to look at the world. The viewport size is how much of the world we're looking at. Then we set the camera's position to be the center of the star. Let's see what it looks like. Uh-oh, the star is all stretched out. Let's see if we can figure out why this happened. So we set the viewport width and height to be equal, but our window doesn't have equal width and height. It's wider than it is tall. Anticipating this occurrence, we already calculated the aspect ratio of the window up here. Now we can just set the camera's viewport width to be the aspect ratio times the viewport height. Let's try it now. Much better. I thought stars were supposed to be circles. Let's actually do one more thing and nudge our camera to the right a little bit. And now we can see both the entire star and the itty bitty planet next to it. Let's try zooming in on this planet next. So we've set the viewport height to be double the planet radius, so the window should just contain the planet. Then we set the viewport width to be the aspect ratio times the viewport height. That way the planet stays a circle. Finally, we just set the position of the camera to be the center of the planet. And there we go. We've apparently got a very heavily forested planet or something. All right, let's do this one more time, this time with the satellite. So setting the viewport height and width should be pretty familiar, and then we set the position. Let's see what we've got so far. Cool, so we've located the satellite out in space, but looks like the satellite is rotating as it orbits, or something like that. Let's match the rotation of our camera to the rotation of the satellite. So here we go. The satellite's rotation is contained in this constant, and then camera rotate will rotate the camera by that number of degrees counterclockwise. Let's give it a try. Awesome, docking ports aligned.